Hello guys, welcome to another video on Know It Now, and on this video I'm going to be showing you guys the best way to buy audiomack plays. And we are going to be using growbetter.net. All you have to do is go to any of your search browser and search www.growbetter.net. growbetter.net, that is the website we are going to be using. Once you search it, it will bring you to this space. As a first timer, note this is how the website looks like. This is how it's going to display. growbetter.net is a website where you put your social media like TikTok, Telegram, audiomack, YouTube, Twitter, Spotify, and other social media apps. And on this website you can boost your services like subscribers, like plays, streams, like, comments, shares, and other services. First thing first, before you can make use of this website growbetter.net, you have to have an account with them, and to sign up it is very easy and simple. Following these few steps I'm about to show you, just click on the sign up button right here. It will bring you to this space, right? All you have to do is create a username, input your email, create a password, confirm password, and click on I'm not a robot. Once you have filled in all these details, all you have to do is click on sign up. It is that easy and simple to sign up on growbetter.net. I have an account already, right? I'll just click on sign in. It will bring me back to this space. All I have to do is input my details and sign in. Once you are signed in, this is how the website looks like on the inside. This is how it looks like on the inside. And I want you guys to note that getting any service on this website growbetter.net, it is not free. You have to fund your account. You have to have money on your growbetter.net account before you can be able to make any order on the website. And to add fund, it is very easy and simple. On my previous videos I've shown and explained how to add fund on growbetter.net, but if you want me to drop a specific video concerning how to fund your growbetter.net account, all you have to do is drop a comment on the comment section, and I'm going to do just that. Let's get right into the video. As I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you guys the best way to buy audiomack plays, right? On that category, you click on this arrow. You see audiomack service right there, you click on it. Under service, you click on this arrow. There are lists of audiomack services there, as you can see, and audiomack play is the first one under that service there. You click on it. Down here you see link and quantity. On this link you have to input the song link, and under this quantity you have to input the amount of plays you want to get. And as you can see under quantity, there is from 1,000 above you can get your play, nothing less, from 1,000 above. Under this link, I've copied my link before the start of this video. I'll just input my link. But if you want me to drop a specific video concerning how to copy any song link, all you have to do is drop a comment on the comment section, and I'm going to do just that. And on this quantity I'll be imputing 1,000, and that's the amount of plays we are getting for that song. Once you have input your correct song link and the quantity of plays you want to get, all you have to do is click on submit. Once you click on submit, you see a notification display on your screen that your order has been received, and your plays will start counting immediately. And this is the best way to buy audiomack plays. Stay tuned for more relatable videos like this, and if it's your first time coming across Know It Now, kindly hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. And if you have subscribed, thank you and God bless you.